Hello plant enthusiasts, today we're delving into the captivating world of Spathiphyllum Domino, an exquisite member of the Spathiphyllum family with a story rooted in tropical beauty. Originating from the rainforests of Central and South America, this plant is celebrated for its unique foliage. Spathiphyllum Domino earned its name from the distinctive domino-like patterns on its leaves. Spath for short, this tropical beauty showcases glossy dark green leaves adorned with intriguing white patterns reminiscent of dominoes. The striking contrast and unique markings make Spath Domino a visually appealing addition to any indoor sanctuary, earning its place as a favorite among plant enthusiasts. To thrive, Spath Domino prefers well-draining soil, indirect light, and consistent moisture. It's well suited for indoor cultivation, making it a perfect choice for homes and offices. Keeping the soil consistently moist and providing filtered light contribute to its overall health. For companion planting, consider pairing Spath Domino with other low light and humidity loving plants. This creates a serene tropical atmosphere, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of your indoor oasis. Primarily grown for its ornamental value, Spath Domino also contributes to indoor air quality by filtering pollutants. Its elegant foliage making it an ideal choice for decorative containers or as a focal point in your indoor green space. Its unique foliage, distinctive patterns, and ease of care make it a cherished choice among plant enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants. Until next time, may your indoor garden thrive, and may your Spath Domino bring a touch of tropical elegance to your botanical journey. Farewell and happy gardening.